BioAcne Mask. BioAcne Mask is a weekly organic treatment that instantly improves the skin texture. It is specifically recommended for oily and acne-prone skin to prevent blemishes and reduce the appearance of acne scars. This highly effective formula is rich in purifying, regenerating, and detoxifying ingredients. Utilizing the diadermic method, these ingredients work on the epidermal layer to refine pores and promote a smoother and clearer complexion. BioAcne Mask can be used several times a week on clean skin before applying skincare treatments. Advantage number 1: improves skin texture. From the first application, BioAcne Mask refines the skin's texture and minimizes pores. It contains comedolytic salicylic acid, bentonite clay with Canadian glacial clay, and purifying burdock root extracts. Together, these ingredients perform a mattifying and smoothing micropeeling of the epidermis to reduce signs of roughness and blemishes. With moisturizing polysaccharide and refreshing lavender floral water, BioAcne Mask leaves the skin soft, silky, and hydrated. The complexion is immediately fresher, clearer, with a matte finish. Advantage number 2: accelerates healing of acne lesion. The BioAcne Mask also helps speed up the healing process of acne lesions. Made with a healing and stimulating synergy of Canadian glacial clay with nettle extracts, this anti-acne mask facilitates cell renewal, smooths the skin, and improves acne scars. It also contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial magnolia bark extract and tea tree oil that neutralize the activity of acne-causing bacteria to prevent future breakouts. Results: from the first application, the skin texture is refined. Pores and acne scars are improved. The complexion is immediately clearer, fresher, and more even. The skin is left smooth and silky. How to use it? Apply BioAcne Mask on perfectly cleansed skin. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse well. Finish with BioAcne pH toner and BioAcne purifying gel.